The third sort of the adjective is a to-infinitive. A to-infinitive, that is the combination of the preposition to and the object of the preposition to revealed by the root infinitive that has the same form as the verb. The reason why we call the combination of the preposition to and the root infinitive as the to infinitive is that the trait of the to infinitive is indefinite and is going to be determined according to the clause that the to infinitive is applied in. Among the three traits on indication, a noun, a descriptive word, an adjective, and another descriptive word, an adverb. A to infinitive that has the trait of the adjective describes an object with an experience, a condition, or an action. The object described by the to infinitive intends to actualize later than the point in time when the definition of the verb to describe the subject actualizes. This description originates from the definition of the preposition to. The subject of the preposition to has the purpose to actualize the definition of the root infinitive. So we can understand that the subject orients for the point in time and the place for the experience, condition, or action indicated by the root infinitive. So we can understand that the expression later than reveals that the speaker can state the subject of the preposition to can aim at a point in the future that is assumed as the actualization of the experience, condition, or action indicated by the root infinitive. There is a clause, I want something to drink. In this clause, the to infinitive to drink is applied as an adjective to describe the object of the transitive verb want. The to infinitive to drink describes the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something. That is the subject of the preposition to, and the object of the preposition to is indicated by the root infinitive drink that indicates an action. As the object to get the action indicated by the to infinitive to drink from the speaker as the subject of the clause. The object of the transitive verb want something exists, and the existence of the object something can be understood for the purpose And the purpose of the existence of the object something can be identified into an action indicated by the root infinitive drink. And the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something receives the definition of the transitive verb want from the speaker as the subject. So we can understand that the speaker as the subject is the indirect subject of the preposition to. The direct subject of the preposition to is indicated by the indefinite pronoun something. The word to that has the trait as a preposition mediates the relationship between the subject and the object, that is the intention of the subject. The purpose of the existence indicated by the indefinite pronoun something. The preposition to of the to infinitive is interpreted to mediate the subject indicated by the indefinite pronoun something, and the action that is intended to actualize after the definition of the transitive verb want by the subject of as the object indicated by the root infinitive drink. The speaker as the subject actualizes the definition of the transitive verb want at first, and the definition of the transitive verb want is delivered to the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun, that the speaker reveals the ambiguity for the object. The speaker intends to emphasize that the object of the transitive verb want is unidentified yet. And the speaker reveals the purpose of the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something with a purposeful action. We can understand that the reason why the speaker arranges the clause in this arrangement, in this order, and the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something is specified with an action that is the purpose. The speaker intends to reveal the ambiguity for the indication from the indefinite pronoun at first, and the speaker specifies the range of the indication by the indefinite pronoun something, by the definition of the to-infinitive to drink. There is a conference, the order in the arrangement of an adjective and a to-infinitive. The adjective and the to-infinitive that has the trait of the object are arranged according to the order of descriptions about the same object in the clause. the adjective to describe the condition of the object at the same time when the definition of the verb actualizes describes the object ahead of the to-infinitive to describe the experience, condition, or action to actualize later than the definition of the verb. There is a clause. There are two descriptive words. There are two adjectives for the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something. The first one is the adjective cool, and the second is the to-infinitive to drink. The description by the adjective cool is about the present condition of the object according to the tense of the clause revealed by the form of the transitive verb want as the present tense. And the description by the to-infinitive to drink is about the purpose of the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something. So we can understand that the order of the descriptions is according to the order of time, the present and the future. The speaker can set an experience, a condition, or an action as a purpose that is already achieved. The speaker reveals the concurrent experience, condition, or action with the definition of the preposition for. The speaker who reveals the purpose is achieved at the present can apply the preposition for. We can consider the present as the period included in our proposed experience, condition, or action. The present condition of the object indicated by the indefinite pronoun something to get the definition of the transitive verb want to signify the present with the description of the adjective cool. The description by the adjective cool is about the present condition of the object. The speaker as the subject will make the action indicated by the to-infinitive to drink actualize after the definition of the transitive verb want actualizes with the description by the to-infinitive. The order of arrangement applied in the statement is according to the flow of time, and the definition of the preposition to reveals that the object something exists for the action indicated by the root infinitive drink as a purpose to be actualized in the near future. Thank you for watching.